Welcome to the math board where math is taught the easier way. In this video, we are going to solve two problems involving graph of sine function. Let's get started. Okay, we have the function y equals 3 sine 2x. As we can observe in the function, we do not have any phase shift or vertical shift. So, to graph this, we have to find first the amplitude. Okay? So as you can see, the amplitude is equal to 3. So this value refers to the amplitude. Then we have to find the period. And we know that the formula to find the period is 2 pi divided by absolute value of b. And based on the given, the value of b is 2. So we have 2 pi divided by absolute value of 2 is 2. So 2. 2 pi divided by 2 is equal to pi. Okay, so this means that the range of values of x will be from 0 to pi. Okay, because we do not have a phase shift here. So to find other values needed to come up with a one period graph of the given function, we need to divide the period by 4 starting from 0. So pi divided by 4 is pi over 4. So 0 plus pi over 4 is pi over 4. Then pi over 4 plus pi over 4 is equal to pi over 2. And then pi over 2 plus pi over 4 is 3 pi over 4. Then 3 pi over 4 plus pi over 4 is equal to pi. So as you can see, the values started from 0 and ended at pi. So we are correct. Since the amplitude is 3, we can say that the highest value attained by the graph is 3 and the lowest one is negative 3. Okay, so we have this value of y, which is 1. Then we have 2. Then we have 3. And then negative 1, negative 2, then negative 3. So we have values of x, 0, pi over 4, pi over 2, 3 pi over 4, and pi. Okay, so to graph this, we do not need to have a table of values. We just have to follow the form of the graph of the sine function or the parent function, which is y equals sine x. And we know that the graph of y equals sine x uh, follow this form. So we have to follow this form to sketch the graph of y equals 3 sine 2x. And that is from the origin, we have point. Then pi over 4 is from the highest, the value of y, 3. Then passes through the x-axis at pi over 2. Then the lowest at negative 3. Then at x-axis sa pi. Then we connect the points. So, okay, that's it. So this will be the graph of the given function. So let's have another example. We have y equals 4 sine 2x minus 2 pi over 3. So as you can see, we have now a phase shift because we have values here. So first, let's identify the amplitude. So the amplitude is the coefficient sine. So the amplitude is equal to 4. Then the period will be 2 pi divided by b. Okay, so we have 2 pi. So as you can see in the given, the b is equal to 2. The coefficient of x, so that is 2. Therefore, we have 2 pi divided by 2. Cancel the 2, we have pi. Okay, so to solve for the phase shift, we need to equate this value to 0, then solve for x. So 2x minus 2 pi divided by 3 equal to 0. So you have 2x equals 2 pi divided by 3. Then divide both sides by 2. So cancel this. Therefore, x equals 2 pi divided by 3 is the same as 2 pi over 3. Get the reciprocal of 2. That is 1 half. Then multiply. So we cancel this. 2 pi times 1 is pi over 3. So therefore, the phase shift of the function is pi over 3. As you can see, the period is pi. Originally, if we do not have a phase shift, the graph will start from 0 and ends at pi. But since we have a phase shift, so the graph will start at pi over 3, then pi plus pi over 3, that is 4 pi over 3. So to find other values needed to graph one period uh, graph of the given function, we divide the period by 4. So pi divided by 4. So we'll start at pi over 3. So the pi over 3 plus pi over 4 is 7 pi over 12 plus pi over 4. That is 5 pi over 6 plus pi over 4. That is 13 pi over 12. Then 13 pi over 12 plus pi over 4 is 4 pi over 3. Okay, so we plot the points. So we have, okay, we have to start at pi over 3. Then we have 7 pi over 12. Then we have 5 pi over 6. Then we have 13 pi over 12. Then 4 pi over 3. And the highest value of y is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is 4. Then the lowest value is negative 4. So this is negative 4. So the graph will start at pi over 3. So at this point, then the highest value, then at x-axis, then the lowest value, then at x-axis again. Then connect. Okay, so this will be the graph of the given function. So this is the easier way on how to graph sine function.